Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Good, right? Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. The prayer start. The prayer is over. Have you eaten breakfast? Of course you have, right? So please stay healthy in this condition, okay? Do you remember what we have learned last week? Last week, we have learned about the use of there is and there are, and also singular and plural, right? So, today we are going to learn our new material. Are you ready? Of course you are ready. Before we start our material, I will ask you something. So please take a look on this picture. Can you count the apples? Of course you can. Based on this picture, there are 3 apples, right? Okay. How about the milk? Can you count the milk? 1? No. You cannot count milk. You cannot count the milk, but you can count the glass of milk. Okay. So, based on this explanation, can you guess what we are going to learn today? Today, we are going to learn about countable and uncountable nouns. Okay. So after this lesson, I hope you will be able to differentiate between countable and uncountable nouns and also quantifier. Okay. Let's start our material. What is countable noun? Countable noun in bahasa Indonesia means benda yang dapat dihitung. Countable noun is the thing that can be counted. Okay, what are the examples of countable noun? The examples are 1 book, 2 books, 5 bags, a pen, pencil, banana, apple, and ice. Okay, how about uncountable noun? Well, countable noun is the thing that can be counted. Uncountable noun is the thing that cannot be counted. So in bahasa Indonesia, uncountable noun means benda yang tidak dapat dihitung. Okay, what are the examples of uncountable noun? The examples are salt, food, water, gasoline, discipline, sand, tea, milk, sugar, and money. All of liquids are uncountable noun. Jadi semua benda cair merupakan benda yang tidak dapat dihitung. Okay? Let's move to the next lesson. So, we will learn about quantifiers such as many, much, a lot of, few, and little. Let's start with many and much. Many and much in bahasa Indonesia means banyak. Many is used for countable noun, while much is used for uncountable noun. Okay. The examples are 1. I have many books in my room. Many books. Books is countable or uncountable? Great. Books is countable. Buku merupakan countable noun, so it is used many or much. Great. We use many, so the answer is I have many books in my room. How about number 2? I have so much sugar in the kitchen. Much sugar, banyak gula. Sugar is countable or uncountable noun? Great. Sugar or gula is uncountable noun, so we use much. I have so much sugar in the kitchen. Okay. The next is a few and a little. A few and a little in bahasa Indonesia means sedikit, while many and much means banyak. A few and a little means sedikit. A few is used for countable noun, and a little is used for uncountable noun. Okay, I will give you examples. There is a few men in the party. A few men. Man is countable or uncountable? Great. Man is countable noun, so we use a few. How about the next example? I need a little help. A little help. Help or bantuan is countable or uncountable noun? Great. Help is uncountable noun, so we use a little. I need a little help. Okay, the next is a lot of or banyak. A lot of means banyak. It is same with many and much. But a lot of can be used both in countable noun and uncountable noun. So it is flexible. But a lot of can only be used in active sentences. Okay, I give you examples. There are a lot of shoes in the shoe shop. A lot of shoes. It is countable or uncountable? Great, it is countable. How about number 2? Sinta needs a lot of money to buy a car. A lot of money. Money is countable or uncountable? Great, uncountable. So, shoes is countable, but money is uncountable. But both of the sentences can use a lot of. Okay. So far, do you have any questions? If you have any questions, please send me a message, or you can leave your question in this comment section. Okay, and I will answer it later. Next, let's move to the exercises. Okay, the first exercise. Complete the following sentences by using many or much. Number 1. There are blah 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 students in the classroom. Students is countable or uncountable? Great, students or siswa is countable, so we use many or much? We use many. So the answer is there are many students in the classroom. How about number 2? There is blah 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 money in the pocket. Money or uang is countable or uncountable? Great. Money is uncountable, so we use many or much? We use much. So the answer is there is much money in the pocket. Okay? Next exercise. Complete the following sentences by using a few or a little. Number 1. There are only blah 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 pencils in my pencil case. Pencils or pencil is countable or uncountable? Great. Pencils are countable noun, so we use a few or a little? We use a few, so the answer is there are only a few pencils in my pencil case. How about number 2? There is blah 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 milk in refrigerator. Milk or susu is countable or uncountable? Milk is uncountable, so we use a few or a little? Great, we use a little. So the answer is there is little milk in the refrigerator. Okay? Okay, great. Please open your book and find this text. In many places, there are not many trees anymore. Many trees. It is countable or uncountable? Great, it is countable. So, there is too much water during the rainy season. Too much water. Much water is countable or uncountable? Much water is uncountable. And too little water during the dry season. Little water is countable or uncountable? Great, it is uncountable. Okay, this is enough for our lesson today. What have you learned today? Today, you have learned about countable and uncountable noun and also quantifiers such as many, much, a lot of, a few, and a little, right? Okay, so after this, I want you to summarize the lesson today in your English book. Okay, so please study hard and stay healthy. Don't forget to fill your absence in Google Classroom, okay class? Okay, thank you very much for your attention. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye class.